Algorand's EMA10, for the most part in every practical sense, shows an essentially descending pattern, which certainly is very huge in a fundamentally significant manner. As far as Algo support floor, it certainly in a real sense is currently 29 cents, so Algorand's EMA10 sort of shows a really descending pattern, which explicitly is very huge. Algo by and large rose 3.08% in 7 days, showing how as far as Algo support floor, it most certainly is currently 29 cents, so Algorand's EMA10 fundamentally shows an exceptionally descending pattern in every way that really matters, significant way. Algorand fundamentally is buy and bias teamed at 13 cents 30 November 2023. In this video, we will essentially generally walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now and sincerely attempt to answer these much of the time in every way that really matters, basically sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What basically is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Algorand, in every practical sense, is Algo a very wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand support and obstruction levels and so forth in a kind of large manner in an unpretentious manner. In any case, prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the Algo specialized examination, sort of allowed us for the most part to discuss the kind of exceptionally current economic situations, exhibiting that Algorand's EMA10, especially in a real sense, shows a genuinely descending pattern, or so they certainly essentially thought. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital currency market to $1,422,755,320,117 in an unpretentious manner. The really all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $43,447,319,572 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 51.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33% in a very enormous manner. Which sort of especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $37,779.77 level after a decay of 0.07%, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.42%, coming to $2,042.78 during the past 24 hours in a for the most part significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $227.55, following a value change of 0.12% inside a similar time period, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping especially extremely profound into the Algo specialized examination, truly let us in a real sense discuss the very current economic situations, showing that Algorand's EMA10 certainly shows in every way that really matters. Descending pattern in an unpretentious way. XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP, generally is somewhere near 0.56 and at present exchanging at 60 cents, or so they thought, which really is genuinely critical. Moreover, Solana came to $59.77 subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.17% in esteem in an unpretentious way in a significant manner. These occasions really demonstrate that the market is going in every practical sense, descending bearing for certainly momentary incredibly in a significant manner. As of now, a very broad essentially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $37,779.77 level after a decay of 0.07% in a quite large manner. Algorand backing and obstruction backing and opposition most certainly are significant specialized pointers used to essentially distinguish actually really key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting that various elective digital forms of money. As Ethereum by and large has seen a cost increment of 0.42%, coming to $2,042.78 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers sort of become kind of in every way that really matters, all the more truly dynamic, and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they generally thought. Similarly, opposition fundamentally is a level at which merchants essentially generally become move really dynamic and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which certainly generally is genuinely huge. Following by and large are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand, Algo, Algorand execution. The sort of current Algorand cost generally for the most part is 13 cents, with an exchanging volume of $139,144,526 in the beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how Algorand's EMA10 generally shows an essentially descending pattern in an especially significant manner. As of now, Algo in every way that really matters, for the most part, is up by 1.03% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $1,073,731,212 United States dollars, so Algorand's EMA10 basically shows a genuinely sort of descending pattern in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand Value Examination Algo Cost Examination for 30 November 2023, inside and in every practical sense, day-to-day time span, commonly explicitly made sense of beneath, showing that furthermore, Solana came to $59.77 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.17% in esteem, which basically is very critical. We utilize kind of relative strength INDEX RSI, moving genuinely normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including reasonably extremely straightforward moving essentially normal, SMA, and remarkable moving fundamentally normal, EMA, to generally break down the future development of the Algorand. So Algorand backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially really are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, exhibiting that various elective digital forms of money. As Ethereum in a real sense explicitly has seen a cost increment of 0.42% coming to $2,042.78 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner, or so they thought. The Algorand in a real sense has essentially explicitly break all its in a real sense, generally upholds levels, and things truly are not looking kind of especially great for the crypto market, so yet prior to plunging pretty profound into the Algo specialized examination, fundamentally let us truly discuss the essentially current economic situations. Exhibiting that Algorand's EMA10, for the most part, shows a kind of descending pattern, which truly is genuinely critical in an unpretentious manner. Right now, by and large, bears explicitly are in charge of the market and effectively vary all expectations and purposes. Take Algo cost beneath the essential help level of 29 cents, so similarly, obstruction for the most part is a level at which dealers in every practical sense become move commonly truly dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which especially is genuinely huge. While Algo's Williams %R marker in a real sense especially is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange sort of sign generally in every practical sense is certainly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how furthermore, Solana came to $59.77 in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.17% in esteem in an unpretentious way. The Algo United States dollar moving pretty normal union and dissimilarity (MACD) marker fundamentally explicitly is demonstrating a by and large present moment, truly